How to change language in Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, what you need to do is launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. As you do that, tap on the gear icon. So as you tap on gear icon, it will lead you to settings and privacy. So scroll down again and under preferences, you can see the option of language and region. Select on that. So here you can see different options, languages for options, titles and other text from Facebook and so on. So simply tap on language you'd like to have post translated into. So I'm going to select on this and you'll have different other options as well. So you can select any of the options over here. Right now it's English for me. If you want to change it to some other languages, I'm going to select Italian over here and I'm going to go back. So let's just change it again and save it over here and then tap on save. Now go back and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.